Well, it's another gorgeous day on the Isle of Wight, and I've just been sent a new phone. It's actually a present for my mum. It's the Huawei, I'm not sure how you say that, I'll show you in a minute. The Huawei Ascend Y300, and I've always wanted to do this, so I'm going to make a little Huawei Y300 unboxing video, or a Huawei 5.0, depending how you think about it. Just come in the post by courier. There's the receipt and the bag it came in, and there's the nice little box. In the box we have the manual, and the phone. It's an awesome looking phone. It's brand new. It's a little bit bigger than the iPhone, but it's only about a quarter of the weight. It's got the back camera and the front facing camera, home button back. I think that's possibly a menu button. Also in the box we've got the security seal and some the warranty, the quick start guide. Here's my SIM card. And underneath in the box we have headphones and the charger, USB charger. I'll get these out of the bag and you can have another look. It's the USB cable, phone end, USB end, and the battery. So let's get this all plumbed in and connected and see what it goes like. Well, I've got the back off it. You can see it's takes a standard SIM card. And the back just pops off really easily. That's the recess for the battery. I'm going to put the battery in and switch it on. SIM card in, battery in, let's go. Well, here we go, the moment of truth. It's making little buzzing noises at me. See me in the reflection holding my camera phone. Just see how long it takes to boot up as well. Woo, fireworks. It's quite a reasonable boot time. The iPhone takes about 25 seconds, I think. Don't know if it's waiting for me to do something. The little lights just come on the front. This is actually a gift from my mum. because she's a bit phone depleted. She's got an old phone, so I thought I'd get her a decent phone. Still booting up. It's been about a minute so far. Nothing's happening. It's not a good sign. It's booted up. Took well over a minute to boot up. It might be because it's the first time I've used it. But now I'm just running through the setup screens. It's asking me to register a Google account. Well, it's my mum's phone, so I think I'll just skip that step and carry on. Yeah, it's a nice looking phone. Feels really good. It's really responsive. It's got a Snapdragon dual-core processor. Runs the latest Android version from Google, which is 4.1 Gingerbread, I think. It's got 4 GB of internal memory, and obviously I haven't sussed out how to use it yet. 4 GB of internal memory. It's got an SD memory card slot if you want to expand the memory on it. Gonna have to adjust a few settings on it so it doesn't keep switching off the screen every 10 seconds. It's buzzing at me, telling me what I want to do. There you go, got to unlock it first. Connected straight to the Wi-Fi, which is really good. It's my Wi-Fi over there. You can see it's got settings: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 3G. Just looking at the ringtones. Some of these ringtones are amazing. Listen to this. A single speaker here. It's actually really good quality though. I'm not sure how loud it goes, but it sounds great. Yeah, it's pretty funky. So that's my ringtone. See if we can crank the volume up. Well, that's full volume. That's it's not bad. You hear it. I've heard louder phones. My the loudest phone I've ever seen, or ever heard. Sorry. I've got a little phone here that's a spare. You have to excuse the mess. I've got some little phones. That's the phone my mum's got at the moment. Same as that. It's the old Samsung Y300 slide. It's pretty good. It's almost a smartphone, but it's too slow to be smart. It's got a 3.2 megapixel camera. Picture of Kylie in the background. And I gave my mum one of those, but the screen's damaged on it. So she's got a new one now. The old flip phones. I still like them though. The old Nokia. This was a good one. I used to like this one. It's got like a little Star Trek flip on it. It's good. They look a bit dated though by today's touchscreen phones. Oh, I don't know where my here it is. This one, just a little standard Sagem phone. It's got the best speaker I've ever heard on it. It's a bit dirty. I'll charge this one up and I'll show you the speaker at the end of the video. As you can see, the screen resolution on it is fantastic. The colours are brilliant and it's so pin sharp. Some of the little low end smartphones you get have got really fuzzy screens. This one's just incredible. And I'll tell you what else. It's just switched off again. Hang on a minute. I'm going to have to adjust that. This is I'm just adjusting the wallpaper on it for the background. So it's got a nice ocean one. Just scrolling through them. Gorgeous autumn one. And there's a pond. Look at that. Chemtrails. There's a bloody screensaver on your phone, built in as standard. Huawei, what are you doing? Just setting the message tone, and I noticed there's one on here called Dipsy, which I thought was quite funny. Just above easy. This is one I like, right down at the bottom. Whistle. When you get a message. Well, this is a really nice phone. It's really fast. It's really responsive. It's got a good speaker in it. It's light to touch. The screen display is excellent. It's got loads of apps built in already. You know, it's more or less a high-end phone. You know, it's just it's got everything you need from a mobile phone. It's really fast, it's really responsive. This is streaming it straight from the Wi-Fi. No lag, no glitches. It's got auto rotate. You know, it's a high-end phone. And for the price, I think it's pretty amazing, really. Well, I was going to say the best bit about the phone is the price, but it's not really. The best bit about the phone is the phone. It's brilliant for the price, and I highly recommend it. As to Huawei, not sure how you say that, if that's correct pronunciation. Huawei Ascend Y300, and you can get it from the Carphone warehouse for about £70. Well, I'm happy. I think my mum's going to be happy. And that's my little video. Thanks for watching. This is the little phone I was telling you about, the one with the excellent speaker in it. And actually, I wouldn't be surprised if they didn't model the iPhone on this, with the silver metal band around the outside and the volume rocker on the left-hand top side there. It's a great little phone. Texts, obviously it rings. You can dial out with it, and you can even surf the internet with it, which is pretty incredible considering how old it is. You just have a listen to the bass on this.